Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2015 Ram 1500 and I will show you how to balance your radio. So in case one of the speakers is not working, or maybe you're just getting sound from left-sided or right-sided speakers, you can adjust it in the radio settings. This video will apply to Ram 1500s made from 2013 all the way up to 2018, and the ones with this small radio screen. If you have a higher trim vehicle, then you will have this large display, and then the process will be similar but still a bit different. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. So first thing, you want to make sure that you're under the radio, so press the radio button if you're not. So once you're here, you want to press the audio button in the bottom right corner, and then you want to select balance and fade. And here you can see on this vehicle, this icon is in the middle, so that means all the passengers in the vehicle will get so the sound in the vehicle is balanced in the middle. Now if you want to have sound only from the front speakers, you can move this icon all the way up here, and then the rear speakers will not work at all. If you want to do it only for the rear passengers, then you will go all the way down. Same thing goes left or right. So right now only the right rear speaker will be working. And if I go to the other side, the left rear, right? And if I go, like, let's say here to the middle, that means only the left-sided speakers will work. So if one of your speakers is not working or something like that, first thing to check is this balance here, to make sure that it's actually here in the middle. If it's here, everything should work. And if you're still having problems with the speakers, then something else is the issue, maybe the wiring or the speaker itself. Once you have adjusted that, you can also go under the equalizer, and here you can adjust the bass, mid and treble, right? So if you like more bass, you can just increase it. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.